channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I love talking with all of you and getting to know you, and I cannot thank you enough for being a part of our wonderful YouTube family. And if you haven't already, make sure you enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That is ending very soon. So if you have you're already here, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm sorry, if you are already a subscriber, we're our own little special club. If you are already a subscriber, make sure you do go ahead and enter. If you are new, please join our family here and subscribe, and make sure you enter the giveaway before it is over. I would love to have you here and get to know you as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the video today. It is just gonna be kind of quick. It's one thing I wanted to share. You see here the BH. This is a wonderful palette that I have ordered from BH Cosmetics, and I am super excited to share with you guys because I thought it was so beautiful and I got such an amazing deal. That is one thing about BH Cosmetics. Their products are already very reasonably priced, but they always do these flash sales and things, and you can get even more of a discount from their already amazing prices. This palette is normally over $25, and I want to say like when all was said and done, like shipping, tax, everything, like I want to say that I ended up paying like $14 and some change. So that's not bad. Like I said, it's normally over $25, and with the tax and everything, that's what I actually paid, was like $14 and some change. So we are going to open the BH Cosmetics order, and I'm going to show you guys this beautiful palette. Can't wait to see it in person. I love the way BH Cosmetics packages. They make sure that their stuff is going to arrive safe. They've got this paper over here, and then the palette itself is like all secure. Got a couple of papers here. Let's take a look. This is talking about their Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. And then what is this? Oh, it's a sample of their liquid foundation. That's nice that they threw that in there. Give that a try. So let me go ahead and get all of this stuff here off of the palette so I can show you guys. Sorry, I think I bumped you. Just the outer packaging is amazing. Is the Desert Oasis. It is actually a 19 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette. So, you know I'm excited. You know I'm excited. So let's slide it on out. And this is, it's very shiny. This is what it looks like. I feel like if I go like that, it's too, there we go. Desert Oasis. And then we open it. Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Okay. First of all, one thing I love about this is there's only a couple of matte shades. Everything else is this beautiful shimmer, and I'm all about shimmer. And it is pretty neutral, but there are a couple of blues, greens, so it kind of, I love it. You guys ready to see it? It's got a huge mirror up here, so we're gonna try to avoid blinding you with that. Look at these colors, you guys. They are so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I just can't even with this right now. I mean, so beautiful. And I love BH Cosmetics. They are a cheaper makeup company, but their products are amazing. I have ordered other stuff before. I have another unboxing video from a month and a half ago where I ordered quite a bit of stuff. I have yet to be disappointed with anything I have ordered from BH Cosmetics. So when I saw, because I've been wanting this palette, and when I saw that it went on sale, I was like, okay, there's just no way that I can pass that up, because like I said, it's normally $23, $25, something like that. And then obviously that would not include tax or anything. So to get it for about $14 with tax and everything, like I said, that was final said and done price. I mean, there was no saying no to it. So I mean, we're gonna just another minute. I mean, how gorgeous. And the shimmer. Love the shimmer. Oh. Yeah, there's only 4 matte shades. Everything else is beautiful and shimmery and just gorgeous. And I cannot wait to play around with this. So, like I said, it's like making a reflection everywhere. It's just so beautiful. I wanted to make the video here, share with you guys this beautiful palette. I'll read here what it says on the back. It says, bask in the splendor of exotic beauty with the Desert Oasis 19 color shadow and highlighter palette. This essential mix of velvety rich pigments in buttery matte and shimmer finishes plus 5 luminous highlighters lets you create endless looks that capture the essence of radiant sands and vivid night skies. Fancy. But yes. So, like I said, just sharing. Make sure, I will put their website down below, BH Cosmetics. Make sure that you go over and check out. I know that, you know, some people want, you know, just high-end stuff, and that's fine. But just know that there are options for great quality products at, you know, better prices. Much, much better. More reasonable prices. And like I said, they also typically always have some kind of sale or special event going on to get you, you know, discounts and things like that. And if you have not used BH Cosmetics before, if you sign up with your email before you place your first order for like their newsletter or whatever it's called, they will actually send you a coupon in your email for 20% off your first purchase plus free shipping. So make sure you do that. If you do plan to head to their website and check them out, make sure you sign up when it pops up. Put your email in and they'll send you that coupon. So that was the video. Like I said, I just wanted to hop on quickly. We are almost at 8 minutes, but that's okay. And show you that gorgeous palette. I cannot wait to try some looks with that. So again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for supporting the channel. It does truly mean so much to me. And I will see you guys with the next video. Have a great day.